Good morning, my darlings. By the way, I hate vlogging from this angle because whenever I place the camera so low, it makes me look like I'm in a dollhouse, like just huge, like in a dollhouse like that. Anyways, we're about to head out to go. Sorry, I thought I saw someone that I knew. I thought I saw one of my old roommates. Anyways, we're about to head out to go run some errands. Whenever you see this outfit combination, this specific black top and this specific pair of pants, 90% of the time, that means that I'm going out to run errands. And we're gonna be doing some last minute Christmas shopping right now for the family. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to vlog, but I just gotta put on my shoes and then head out right now. I keep looking at this person. Are you sure that's not her? Guys, I'm back home. Listen, I took longer than I thought I was gonna take at the mall, and then it took longer coming back because I promise you, this Uber driver that brought me home, this man, I feel like he found the longest road in this city to pass by, because like it normally takes me around 5 minutes from the mall to my apartment, and this guy spent almost 20 minutes on the road. I don't know where he found that road from because I've never even seen that neighborhood in my entire life, but I'm back home. Good morning. We are about to test out my new coffee machine. I'm trying to find a place to put you guys on. Let's put you on the machine itself. Oh, the lighting's not good. Anyways, I have to read the manual because I don't know how to use this thing. Why am I whispering? I'm the only one here. I don't know why I'm whispering, but there's a lot that I can do with this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you guys when I figure out how to use this thing because I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. We're gonna put some lights on my plants right here because I don't plan on getting a Christmas tree this year. We have a very, very dark plants, you guys, because I ran out of lights. These are the lights that I used on my shelf last Christmas, and I had to use tape to hold them to the plant because it just would not stay. But we do have lights on my plant, you guys. Christmas, yay. A for effort, I guess. Alrighty, you guys, we are going to be dehydrating some mangoes. Hold on, I can't even hear what I'm saying because I have music playing. Okay, so we are going to be dehydrating some mangoes that I got yesterday. And I still don't know how to use this because this is going to be my first time using this. So just like the coffee machine, did I just say coffee machine? Just like the coffee machine, they have to read the instructions and take these off because I can't see anything. Okay. Guys, this is what it's looking like. I dried them for about 12 hours, so this is actually the next morning, and this is what it looks like. Also tastes really, really good. I just wish it was like a tiny bit more moist than it is, but apart from that, it's my first time trying it and I think it came out really, really good. Morning. Just made myself another cup of coffee. I realized I never said anything when I first drank it on camera, but this thing is so smooth, so rich. I love. We're gonna be making some, well, not really breakfast. I'm craving fish right now, like just fish and nothing else. Okay, so we're gonna be seasoning some fish right now and making some fish. I don't know why I'm dancing, but I'm gonna go along with it. Let's put on my apron. That's a lot of pepper. Oh my god. Hospital playlist right now. Righty guys, we are going to end out today's vlog here. I need to start working on it. It should probably be up by the 23rd of this month. It's gonna be my last video for the year because I don't think that with work and all of that I would be able to put out something else before Christmas, and then after Christmas is that's a lot. Okay, I'm working on my pacing. It's still, I thought I'd be used to it by now, but I'm still not used to filming content and working full-time at the same time. I'm gonna get used to it one day, but right now I'm still at that point where I'm like, I am struggling to juggle this right now. Okay, so I'm gonna work on the content next year, but for right now, happy last video of the year. And since we're not gonna have a video until sometime next year, I just wanted to wish you guys a very, very, very Merry Christmas. I hope your Christmas is full of so much joy, so much happiness. Thank you to all of you guys that have spent the entire year with me. And I want to wish you also a very, very prosperous new year, a very exciting new year full of testimonies, full of miracles, full of grace, favor, and all of that lovely stuff, okay? And in the spirit of Christmas, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. And I will see all of you lovely people, and hopefully more of you lovely people next year, okay? Bye, and see you guys in the next one. Bye, bye, bye. I'm gonna crawl over and turn off my camera. Bye.